Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to cancel Spotify subscription. It's really easy and simple. First, when you're logged in, hover over here on your profile icon at the top right. Go ahead and click on this. And then what I need you to do is click on account. Okay? Now on this page, you will see a subscription plan. Okay, let's scroll down. And under subscription, you will see the option to cancel subscription. I want you to go and click on this, okay? So here we will be scrolling down, just scroll all the way down, click on continue to cancel, okay? And now it's going to give you this confirmation prompt, whether we want to cancel or, whatever plan you have. So have an individual plan, you could have a duo, one family, okay? And there we go. We can click on cancel. Yes, cancel. And then there we go. We will have to fill this in, right? Maybe give it the main reason why you have canceled and then why you're canceling. How likely are you subscribed back? You can go ahead and do this if you want, or you can just skip this. It's not really necessary. And there we go, guys. We have canceled our subscription. So if I go back to account, we're back on Spotify free. Really that easy and simple.